to my first ever educational vlog. So first, let me introduce myself. I'm Tita Lanisula, a first-year math major EDUC student. And now let's go on our topic for today. We're gonna talk about pattern. I think everyone knows about pattern, right? And I know you've seen many patterns all over your surroundings. So what is pattern? Pattern is a thing that is repeated or recurring arrangement, form, or design following a rule or a sequence. There are 4 classifications of most common pattern in nature, and these are symmetry, fractal, spiral, and tessellation.
Symmetry. Symmetry is a pattern that shows a reflection of images. There are 2 types of symmetry, the radial symmetry and bilateral symmetry. Radial symmetry. Radial symmetry is symmetry formed around central axis. As you can see in this illustration, a starfish is cut into 5 parts, where this part is the same to the other 4 parts. These are the example of radial symmetry that you have seen mostly in your home. Bilateral symmetry. A bilateral symmetry is a concept that 2 opposite sides have identical features. As you can see in this illustration, the butterfly is cut into 2 parts, where this part is the same on the opposite part. These are the examples of bilateral symmetry that you have seen mostly in your home. Fractal. Fractal is a pattern which repeats at progressively smaller sizes and angles. As you can see in this illustration, every side of the triangle has been added another triangle until it made into a snowflake shape. These are the examples of fractal that you have seen mostly in your home. Spiral. Spiral is a pattern that moves around at a central point and continuously widening. As you can see in this illustration, the line became bigger as it doing spiral from the bottom and goes up to the top like a spring. These are the examples of spiral that you have seen mostly in your home. Tessellation. Tessellation is a pattern that repeats figures closely, fitting together with no gaps in between. As you can see in this illustration, inside the bigger shapes have another smaller shapes that fits together to make it into unique one. These are the examples of tessellation that you have seen mostly in your home.
So that's all. I hope you've learned something about patterns and its classification. Again, this is Jadel Anisler. Thank you for watching and also like and subscribe for more educational videos. Stay tuned!